Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I have another Boxycharm Premium unboxing for you for the month of January. Just as I was complaining last month and saying I was going to cancel, my box arrived for this month and it's so good. So now I'll keep my subscription. As always, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll link my playlist on top with more videos like this. This is what the box looks like. I'll have everything underneath about how you can subscribe to the box and all the items so you can have more information on it. The theme of the month is Boxycharm Fresh Start, which I think we all want for 2021 after the way the last year went for us. It doesn't say what variation I have on here. This is what the card is. And the first item that I see is this one here. It's the mini mix palette Good to Go by Ofra Cosmetics. It says manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals, featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter. All of the lights, this lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. So this is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. It has highlights and eyeshadows in there. I can't wait to use this. I've heard great things about the formula. And then this side doesn't have a mirror, but it says, "Smile, you're beautiful," which is super cute. So this item is the first item and I'm already loving it. Next item is this one here. It's from PMD Beauty. It's the Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. It retails for $30. It says, get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a cleaned end to every day. So it's like some sort of reusable cleaning towel. And it says you can machine wash it too to reuse it. So that looks really good. Next, I'm super excited about this one here. It's the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. I usually love Tarte's products and I've been loving setting sprays this year. So it sets makeup for 16 hours, it says. And it says that it retails for $23. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra fine, continuous vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish, so skin looks healthy and hydrated. So I'm super excited about this. I love Tarte and I love setting sprays, so that's another one that I really am excited about. The next item is this one here. Lashes MD Eyelash Growth Serum, a lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, and healthier eyelashes and brows. Our signature eyelash conditioner nourishing formula is specifically designed to help eyelashes growth and support strong lashes. Apply this eyelash enhancer once a day, encouraging longer and healthier lashes for $69.95. So that's super expensive and I'm super excited to try this because I actually love things that grow my natural lashes. I don't get lash extensions or anything, so I just like things that grow my natural lashes. The next thing I chose is this Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color Creamy Eyeshadow Stick with 12-hour wear that is crease and transfer resistant for a long-lasting finish. And it retails for $29. And I chose this. It's in the color Ginger. I think it was a pretty neutral color that I chose. So that's what the packaging looks like. And this is what the stick looks like. It's a really neutral nude. It's a really neutral nude color, so I'm excited to try this. I feel like it could go on, like you could wear it every day, and you could also use it as like a primer. So I'm super excited about this as well. And last thing, this is my most this is the thing I'm most excited for in this box. This Summer Fridays jet lag mask retails for $48. Life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a night mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver. This multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants leaves skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. And it retails for $48. This is gonna go right into my skincare cabinet to try. I've been wanting to get this at Sephora for a long time, but I just didn't want to spend any money. I'm trying to use up what I have first, but I'm super excited about this. And this is what the back looks like. It's a squeezy tube. That's everything that I received in my box. I love the lash serum. I love the mask. I'm so excited for the setting spray, the caviar stick, and I also am really excited about this palette too. So the only thing that I'm kind of iffy on is this, just because I don't really use any products like this, but I'll try it and see. But all in all, I got 5 products that I loved. So I'm super happy with this month and I won't be canceling. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know underneath what you got in your month's box. I'd love to know. And like and subscribe, letting me know to make more videos for you. Thank you and take care. Bye, guys.